Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm gonna create this party evening bold makeup look. Please do subscribe to my channel. So I'm gonna use this WetnWild Dual Luminous foundation. I cannot pronounce that word. So I'm gonna apply this all over my face. I'm gonna use my hand for this primer. After applying this, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette. I'm going to use this eyeshadow palette for my complete eye look. I'm going to use this maroon color all over my eyelid, and I'm going to add the brown color which was on the top of this palette. I'm going to mix two of these colors and blend it well. After that, I'm gonna use the golden color from the palette and I'm gonna apply towards the inner and the half of my eyelid. After applying that, I'm gonna apply this the same maroon color under my eye. So now I'm going to use this M.A.C eyeliner liquid brush. It called as a brush black. I can make a good wing with this. After using this, I'm gonna use false lashes superstar mascara from L'Oreal. So it has 1 in 2 white and black. So first I will apply the white all over my eyelashes, like to just give a little good volume. So now I'm using the black side, the 2 number of that, and I'm applying it. I like to wait before applying it a little bit so that the white color dry first and then I go for the black color. So now I'm using my favorite Benefits Precise eyebrow pencil. I didn't define my eyebrows much, I just tried filling it. After filling my eyebrows, I brush them up so that it stand and it gave a good it defined well if you brush your eyebrows after it's done. After this, I'm using my MAC false lashes. Oops, it fall down. So I'm using my Duo eyelash glue, which I used in my previous video. So I'm using my all-time favorite concealer from Maybelline. So I'm gonna apply it a little bit thick as always. I like this one because all my under eye things are covered well. So I apply a little bit on the forehead and chin, towards the contour line, nose, and I'm using the beauty blender from Nykaa, which I ordered like a long time back, and this is my second or third time I'm using this. After this, I'm using a two foundation. One is from Makeup Forever and the second is L'Oreal True Match. So I'm mixing both because my skin tone towards the day and the evening lights are two different tones. So and I like the dual finish of these foundation on my face. I like this. I like actually most of my makeup stuff. This is from Makeup Forever HD foundation. I had used from very long time and it's give a very good result whenever I use it. So now I'm going to use LA Girl Pro Concealer HD concealer. Its color name is Espresso. I use this for the contour, and after applying this with the beauty blender, I am going to add the LA Girl contour powder.
it so hard to let you go?
So now I'm going to use a blush from Colourpop. Oh, she's blushing. It's a nice name of a blush. I really liked it. It's in the pink red tone. It's a so this is a cream base, so it take time to like show up on your skin, so you need to work hard to get those color. Like some people like the little bit harsh on the skin, but I like little soft pink, so I try adding a little bit at a time. So after that I'm using this Maybelline Master Chrome.
So why is it so hard to let you go? To let you go. So why is it so hard to let you go? To let you go.
So for the lipstick, I am using a lid lip bundle from Colourpop. So this color name is Wig Ultra Stain Lip. It's a maroon color. This is a liquid lipstick. So it takes time to dry on your lips. So after that I am using the lip liner from the same collection. The lip liner name is Duke. I'm just trying to enhance the outer line of my lips from this. After the lipstick and the lip liner, I am using my Colorbar Smoky Eye Kajal, which I'm putting in my inner eye. It gave a good I like this look with the kajal, so I just added this. If you guys don't want it, you don't need to add this. So now I'm using a Fix Plus from M.A.c. So this is my final look. Glamorous and a bold makeup. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe, like and share, and do comment. Bye.